Now, Bengal BJP chief claims call for riots came from mosque, and Union Minister Sukanto Majumdar claims PFI was active in Murshidabad.
तोहा सिद्दीकी साहब ने जिस तरीके का प्रोवोकेटिव स्टेटमेंट दिया है वो बहुत ही शर्मसार कर देने वाली है। और ये मानसिकता जब जब परसेंटेज बढ़ रहा है, डेमोग्राफी चेंज हो रहा है, ये मानसिकता आ रही है। ये मानसिकता इसलिए आ रही है कि ममता बनर्जी ने इनको शह देके रखा है। एज मेंशन बाय देम, द कॉल फॉर राइट वाज गिवन फ्रॉम द लाउड स्पीकर ऑफ द मस्जिद। इफ बीजेपी comes to power and this type incident happen, we will ban masjid or any other religion campus which will be used in case of provoking the riots in any area of West Bengal. PFI का भी एक्टिविटी मुर्शिदाबाद में थी उस समय, आपको जैसे मैंने बताया। No one in the state of West Bengal was arrested by the West Bengal police.
Joining me is CNN News 18's Kamalika Sen Gupta on this broadcast. Kamalika, a big claim that is coming in from the BJP says that there was involvement of PFI in Murshidabad. Is there actually fact to the claim that is coming in from the BJP?
See, some central agency also have expressed this, unofficial sources. So that obviously the investigation, and today there is a lot of cases are there in court. So what report the state government gives in front of the court, that is to be seen. But central agencies sources in central agencies also tell us that there was existence of some involvement of PFI, and Jamaat cannot be ruled out. On the other hand, the state investigative agencies, they have formed a seat. They are of the opinion that there were some outsiders. But who are they? They were from other districts, or they were from other districts or from across the border. That has to be seen.
All right. I request you, Kamalika, to please stay with us as we need your input on the other breaking as well. Now, BJP MP Sumitra Khan writes a letter to Radha Mohan Das Agarwal, chairman of the Standing Committee, home, and requesting a committee visit to Murshidabad and a review of the ground reality concerning local Hindu survivors. Let me now go back to my colleague Kamalika Sen Gupta. Kamalika, take us through the highlights of this letter that has been written by the BJP MP. All right, we seem to have lost that connection with Kamalika, but this is the letter that has been written by the BJP MP Sumitra Khan, who has in fact written to Radha Mohan Das Agarwal, the chairman of the Standing Committee Home, and she is in fact requesting that as far as the committee Murshidabad situation is concerned, she is requesting a committee visit to Murshidabad and review the ground reality concerning the local Hindu survivors. Remember, the BJP has been making a big claim that over 300 families have in fact been leaving from their own hometown and are in fact shifting to Malda. There was also in fact a helpline that was set up by Sukanto Majumdar in Malda. He has in fact been claiming, the allegation is that the Hindu families are in fact leaving their hometowns and been settling in Malda because of the violence that took place in Murshidabad. And now what we are learning is that the BJP MP Sumitra Khan has in fact written a letter to Radha Mohan Das Agarwal, the chairman of the Standing Committee Home, requesting a committee visit to Murshidabad and a review of the ground reality concerning local Hindu survivors. Remember, today is a very crucial day, as the state as well as the central forces are going to submit their report in the High Court, and we will have to see whether an extension of the central forces will in fact be ordered by the High Court in Kolkata in West Bengal or not. Apart from that, there are also big claims that are coming in from the BJP. Earlier we talked about how Sukanto Majumdar, the BJP chief in West Bengal, has been claiming that the riots in fact begun from the Muslim side. There was an announcement that was made in mosque as well, and he also in fact been alleging the PFI involvement in the entire violence in Murshidabad.